some important questions from integration. CBSE board exam, also from ISE, any boards. That integration of cos to the power 5x by sin x dx. Here we use substitution. How to use substitution? We have to check the one term whose differentiation is containing by this function. So here the differentiation of sin x is cos x dx and the differentiation of cos x is sin x dx, but there are sin x in the denominator, so it is not possible. So you have to substitute sin x. So we substitute sin x by any function z. So the differentiation of sin x is cos x dx equals to dz, right? So cos to the power 5x, here cos to the power 5x, but we get a cos x dx. So we change cos to the power 5x as cos to the power 4x into cos x. We can write it divided by sin x. So that cos to the power 4x, a cos x dx means z dz and sin x means z. But cos to the power 4x we have no terms. So we have to change cos to the power 5x as in the term of sin x. So we change cos to the power 4x in 1 minus sin square x whole square into cos x dx whole divided by sin x, right? So that means 1 minus z square whole square into dz by z, right? So its formula, we break it in the formula 1 minus 2 z square plus z to the power 4 whole divided by z into dz. That means 1 by z, distribute it, right? Minus 2 into z plus z cube dz. So we integrate each term separately. Log mod z minus 2 into z square by 2 plus z to the power 4 by 4 plus c. C means integrating constant, and then the term z means sin x. So we have to put here sin x, log mod sin x minus sin square x plus 1 by 4 sin to the power 4x plus c. This is the answer. Here the integration of 10 to the power 4 root x sec square root x whole divided by root x. Here we have to use substitution formula. We can substitute 10 root x or sec root x. But here you have to check that 10 root x differentiation is sec square x. It will be easy. But sec root x differentiation will be 10x sec x and something. So it's difficult because 10 is power is 4 and sec power is 2. So it is easy to take 10 root x or substitute 10 root x. So we substitute 10 root x in term of p. So the differentiation of 10 root x is sec square root x. And the differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. The differentiation of x is dx and the differentiation of p dp. So we substitute sec square root x by root x into dx, sec square root x by root x into dx, that means 2 dp, right? So we substitute here, it means z to the power 4 and the sec square root x by root x into dx means 2 into dp. Sorry, this is p to the power 4. We substitute in the term of p. So that the integration of p to the power 4 dp, that means 2 into p to the power 5 by 5 plus c, and term p means 10 root x. So the answer will be 2 by 5 10 to the power 5 root x plus c. Here c is integrating constant. Integration of 1 plus cot x by x plus log sin x. Here check that the differentiation of x plus log sin x, it will be 1 plus cot x maybe, but the differentiation of 1 plus cot x it not to be x plus log sin x, it is not possible. So you have to check that the differentiation of x plus log sin x is 1 plus cot x or not, because we have to first you have to use substitution formula. If it not be easy, then you have to check by another process. First we have to check the substitution formula. So we use x plus log sin x in other function like p. So the differentiation of x means dx and the differentiation of log sin x means 1 by sin x In the differentiation of sin x means cos x, and the differentiation of x means dx equals to dp. That means 1 plus cot x into dx equals to dp. Here take a look, 1 plus cot x dx means dp, and the 1 by x plus log sin x means 1 by p. So 1 by p into dp, that means log mod p plus c, and this means log mod x plus log sin x plus c. This is the answer.